PaperBook 1. Cool for school proof. Seems legit. Let's buy it. I'm sure that's fine. Packages here. Oh gosh. That's fine. Hello everyone. Today I'm unboxing the PaperBook 1. So I saw this thing and I was like, I have to get it. So it was like $5. Yeah. It was very cheap. I think the delivery guy messed it up a little bit, but that's fine. Alright, here it is. The PaperBook. It's your paper, your computer. Alright, let's check it out. So I got the PaperBook 1 here. This is kind of a prototype. I funded it a little bit on Go Don't Fund Me, so that's fun. So we got the PaperBook 1 here. We got full-on keyboard, volume controls. So that's volume up, volume down. We got the screen. Alright, so in order to look at the internals, we're gonna have to do a little cutting. Alright, so I cut the connection tape off, so we can go and lift this off. So inside, of course, we have P3 100. Now I think that is like 1.5 gigahertz. We got settings, battery, transistors. We got a paper GPU. This is powerful paper pixels, so that's probably the video card. It's very small, so it's probably not very powerful, but the screen is only 720p, so it's like we have like the chips. Here's the storage. So we got Coshiba 500 gigabyte hard drive disk. We got some RAM there, and of course a battery, which is PinePower. That's what it says. Nice little battery. So this thing looks pretty good. We got the battery plug in right there and right there. Looks like it leads into 2 transistors and then a power distributor here. I'm guessing that's what it is. And then it runs off in different channels. And then we also have the CPU. Everything kind of connects into something. Everything connects to power, and everything also has a second wire coming out of it, connecting to something. So that's pretty good. Alright guys, so after reviewing and using the PaperBook for a couple of days now, I have concluded that out of 5 stars, I'd give it a 3.5. I think it really is, the screen is great, the specifications are pretty good, and the battery is okay. However, I wouldn't give it 5 stars because the trackpad isn't too great. There's not many USB ports, and as I can see, there's no HDMI or headphone jack. And there's no built-in speakers, so sound is not an option. The output out.